Hi, I'm Sarah from SewingMastery.com, and we are working on all the videos for the Singer Fashion Mate 3342 sewing machine. So if you want to learn every corner of this machine, whether you're looking to purchase this machine, this will give you some great highlights, some of my favorite features that this machine has, or maybe you already own this machine, didn't realize that there's so much that came with it. So when we opened it up, we are going to be going through all the different stitches, the whole entire bag of accessories as small little short videos. So you can go in and learn every part of this machine. But I wanted to go over some of the highlights that come with it. Some of the things that people kind of take for granted or don't realize that their machine has is a needle threader. So there is a needle threader on this machine. I'm always changing threads, and so that always makes it easier for me. I'm going to show you the right way to use a needle threader. When we have it plugged in, you're going to notice when you're sewing on it that the LED light on it is going to help brighten up your sewing area, especially when you're working on dark fabrics. So if you're working on blues and dark chocolates and black, you're going to be able to see where you're going. Especially if you sew a little bit more in the evening hours when our eyes are a little bit more tired than if you sewed more during the earlier hours when we're a little bit fresher. So lights are a big thing. I'm a big fan of stitches. So there's 32 different stitches on this machine. And even though some of them are utility, I'm going to show you a way that you can use them in a fun, decorative way. So like the quilts behind me from our online Stitching Cosmos online course, we take stitches, however many you have, whether you have 6 stitches or 1,000 stitches, and find fun ways to use them in new sewing techniques. There's 5 accessory feet that come with this machine. I want to show you exactly how to use every single one of them. Currently, there's a buttonhole foot and a button sew-on foot. There's so many things that you can do with buttonholes that are not garment related. So if you're looking for fun ways to use things that you have with this machine, that's a great way to do it. The bobbins that this machine takes are the easiest to find. They're a class 15 plastic bobbin, and you drop it in from the top side. So that's considered a top loading bobbin case. Super easy to get in. You can see before you run out of bobbin. Just a very easy system there. Inside this machine, there is a full metal frame. Everything attaches to it, so giving you that stability for when you're sewing along. If you're sewing on heavy fabrics, we're going to just have you put in a heavier, sharper needle. We'll talk about needles as we go through each of these different techniques and styles of sewing that you might get into with this machine. You've got a great machine. Let's make sure you know how to use it correctly, how to thread it, and then some of those things that are going to vary based on the fabrics that you are picking. So I can't wait to show you all these wonderful features step by step through our videos. Check out the links below this YouTube video where you'll find all the rest of these tutorials that you can look at anytime.